This is the FF80, the second flagship model from Maxfind. If you're interested in the FF belt, then check out my review right here. This one has the same power, but compared to a belt drive, this is a ninja bar. It is so silent, and the all-terrain wheels just make this concept so much better. I absolutely love it, so let's get started. So guys, I know, when it gets to safety precautions, I might not be the best role model out there, but I'm trying my best to change that, starting right now. So always protect yourself, wear a helmet, save that nugget, but also think what else to protect when you go for a ride. I'm always bringing a smartphone for, you know, taking videos, pictures, all of that good stuff. And especially if it is an expensive one, like this iPhone 14 Pro Max, $1,500. It is completely insane. Well, you better protect that. Yes, what you need is a screen protector and also a great case. And one of the best cases out there is the TORRAS U Pro O-Stand phone case. A groundbreaking 4-in-1 MagSafe phone case, especially made for high-end smartphones, iPhone 12 and up, also for the high-end Samsung smartphones. So when you get yourself the best when it gets to smartphones, you might as well get yourself the best when it gets to cases. So check this out. This case has military-grade protection against shocks, drops, and falls. The four corners are equipped with their X-Shock 3.0 airbag tech, literally 360 degrees of protection all across the board. This is the industry's first multiple airbag design that will resist all kinds of drops and bumps. It also has 1.5mm screen lips, so additional protection aside from the screen protector, of course. 2.5mm camera bezels, so the screen and also the lenses will get additional protection, as well as the rest of the body of the phone, of course. The material is scratch and shatter resistant, so your phone will be safe for sure. Plus, this right here is anti-yellowing material, so the transparent parts of this case will stay pristine. And on top of that, we have many more awesome features. So first of all, as you can see right here, these cases, this phone case right here can easily be used as a kickstand. So wherever you are, you can utilize it for watching a movie or as a tripod replacement for filming yourself. It's just super handy to have, and these rings are built like a tank. They are super stable. As you can see right here, super well made, so you can easily grab it by the ring without worrying that it will break. This ring is super strong and also just a nice carrying handle. And what's more, this ring is also magnetic. Inside of this ring is a patented Halbach array that is like 5 times stronger than the usual MagSafe ring. It features 38 N52 magnets that all in all generate a force of up to 16 newtons. It is crazy. And compared to the original TPU case, you can see how much stronger these are. And this right here, this is the strongest and most advanced magnetic tech that ever came out of their very own lab. And TORRAS calls it the Mega Mag Tech. This is trademarked too. It is insane. So this case is a kickstand, a phone holder, and also a super strong MagSafe ring. And on top of that, it of course offers ultimate protection. So a true 4-in-1 case, and definitely great value, especially for the price point. This is way cheaper than the original cases. Way cheaper. No worries, no worries. This will survive all sorts of drops. So keep your phone secure while riding. Get yourself one of these amazing cases. First link in the description. Check it out right now. Got the new drip from Maxfind. This is the FF80, the AT version of their FF series. Yeah, aka the FF80. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. There we go. That's the box. I'm assuming it's a box in a box, this side right here. But yeah, just for the heck of my OCD, here's the other side. 17 kilograms, by the way. There we go. Make micromobility simple and fun. We have a handle on top, a nice carrying handle, also with the view of the board, and also right here we have the brand and the model. And we also have the model. We also have it right here. Good old padding on top. The yes, here we go. Yeah, it's so beautiful. The Maxfind boards are so beautiful. And here we have all the accessories. So that's the box. And in here we have, of course, the paperwork, a tool in white, then of course a remote, the cable for the power brick, also this and a charging cable for the remote, and of course the brick, the power brick with this elaborate charging adapter, status LED in here, and these are the specs on the charging brick. Cable will fit in here. And then again we have the multi-tool right here for adjusting the double kingpin trucks. Always great to have carried with you. Again, USB-A to USB-C charging cable for the remote. And that's the remote. Beautiful design. It has this sprinkled star pattern on it, as at least that's what I like to call it. That's the top, that's the bottom, and we also have this groove in here. So yeah, this is a modified Hobbywing ESC remote. They have their custom mold, and it also has a nice strap for your wrist. Good stuff. And yeah, we'll check that out in a second. And yeah, this wrench right here, 40 millimeters on both ends. And lastly, let's check out the manual. This just fell out, backside with all the socials. So let's see, we have the front and the back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's it. So to recap, you will get the paperwork, the tools, the charging cable, the remote, and of course the power brick with a cable. And I missed one little hex key. You will also get this one right here. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. There we go. This is my second Maxfind board, and if you're new to their flagship model, I mean, just look at it. The body has a really nice streamlined design, and they are using a rubber grip tape. This is so cool. This will save your shoes, your clothes. You can lie down, you can sit down, no need to worry about wrecking your apparel. I absolutely love it. I have the FF belt, and this of course is the FF.AT with the all-terrain wheels. The FF belt has a belt drive, but the FF.AT has a hub motor design. We have two super strong hub motors, and the front wheels, of course, they have regular spokes. So yeah, I absolutely love this design. And now let's take a close look. Okay, so let's start at the front wheel. We have the bearing, the spokes, and of course the rubber wheels itself. This is what they look like. Lovely. And these are pure rubber. There is no air in here. Fail-safe wheels, basically. On the other side, we have the hub motors, 1200 watts. And of course the same profile as you can see. They are pretty much silent. Hub motors are, especially compared to the belt drive systems, are so silent. I love it. So, and of course we have the board. All in all, we have 8 screws that will hold the trucks in place. We have the FF.AT logo on both sides. Same here. Then we also get this. We get the certificate of compliance, and we also have all the important safety tips, so keep that in mind. And then we of course have the board, nice shape, and right here we have the logo, and as you can see we have the battery tray right here. Turn it, then this will pop out, and right here we can see the battery, and yes, you can order more of them and just quick swap them. Awesome design. You can easily remove the whole thing, just unplug it, XT90 connector, and yeah, all the specs on the battery. Put it back in, that's the mechanism. So let's close the hatch. Let's lock it in place. And yeah, that's basically the top of the board. We of course also have the side view. So that's the battery tray from the side. And on the other side we have the control unit. So here we have the other side. We have the front truck, double kingpin system of course. Extremely nice for carving, butter smooth trucks, same as on the FF belt, feels absolutely lovely to drive. Then right here, nice logo, black on black, kind of hard to see but looking amazing. Yeah, that's a battery tray of course. And right here we have the Hobbywing ESC inside, really nice electronics, FF series. And here we also have the QR codes to their socials. Here the flap, and underneath of course the charging port and the on-off button. And lastly, we of course have the cables from the ESC straight to the hub motors and the second double kingpin truck. And yeah, this is what the cable looks like. And not to forget the other side of the hub motor. And by the way, if you're wondering, when the board is laying upside down, the wheels are not touching the floor. So this is perfect for a first test. No connection, so let's turn on the board. Boom, that was fast. So the remote has two buttons, on-off button of course. Pressing the on-off button will make it vibrate, and pressing the other button will cycle through the gears 1, 2, 3, 4, and double press to change the direction. So in the first gear, 16, in the second gear, 25, 26, and this will also reduce or ramp up the power or the acceleration speed. Number 3, 35, 36, and in the last gear. Okay, first of all, they are so silent, this is crazy. The belt drives are so loud when you go full speed, but this is super silent. When it's fully charged, it will go a bit faster, and when it's going empty, then it will of course drop the max speed, and check out how fast they will speed up. Almost instantly, while in the first gear, it will just gradually speed up. Not bad, right? And now, let's finally test it. So here we go. I'm still waiting for good weather, but actually I can't wait any longer. I need to try it. I'm way too excited for it. Fully charged up, first gear. Okay, so let's go. The first few meters that I drove to my parking space were already amazing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I'm ready for the second. No, I'm ready for the fourth gear. Oh yeah. Oh! Okay, so it's probably too windy. It's so silent. And the ride feel. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Off-road test, here we go. Maxfind even sent me a helmet for my safety. But it's just a bit too cold today. But I will for sure wear it for the next test. Oh my god, I always wanted to do this. Best thing ever. And the board is just silent. But the grass is actually a hard obstacle to conquer. It's slowing down the board immensely. You can literally feel the resistance when you start to go through it. Compared to a flat surface. Drifting in the grass, that's the best thing ever. Yeah, right? Now the sun is coming out. Oh, the freaking drift! Oh my god! So here we go, brought my bro as always. Now with the safety helmet. He's refusing to wear one. Hey, always wear a helmet. Okay. Oh, that's a helmet? Yeah. Ah, okay. Always wear your safety equipment, guys. So I will take the belt, he will take the FF80. I really like it a lot, so I'm curious what you have to say about it. So enjoy, bro. Enjoy the new board.
If you are rolling.
It's nice, right?
Oh, okay. Damn.
Speed. Okay, go.
Woo! Damn. Okay. 30. 40.
Okay, so what do you think? First impressions?
Yeah. Okay, let's Kurven ist einfach nur verdammt nice.
English, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Carving is great.
Yeah.
Yeah, carving is amazing. Double kingpin trucks as always delivering.
Nice.
What about the acceleration?
It's also great. Let's say the board is really perfect.
Okay, let's go for acceleration. Test side by side, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, what the?
Okay, so the belt is a little bit faster. Okay, and now for an off-road test. Ah! Oh my god. Up the hill, bro. The grass will slow down the belt way more than the AT.
Oh, damn!
Quite similar performance up the hill. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's go, bro. If you fall, it doesn't matter, it's grass. The cam will survive. Oh my god, he's actually going for it.
Damn!
So yeah, the AT can definitely handle the grass. This one too, but it's a really bumpy ride.
No, damn!
It was actually crazy, bro.
Okay, one more time.
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. I just wanted to go for the resume, but okay. Yeah, go this way. This way is nicer. This is super flat actually. Good stuff. So it has more than enough power to handle the grass, go up the hill fairly fast, and it's a really nice ride. Carving is amazing. And yeah, all the other pros of this board, the nice rubber grip, great look. It's just dope all in all.
My brother, this is a great feeling. Amazing.
So yeah guys, Maxfind delivered again. The FF belt is amazing, the FF.AT is amazing. Just great boards all in all.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's test.
Oh, that's a bad idea. That's a really bad idea, bro. That's how my sister destroyed my last 360 cam. The FF belt is great. The FF.AT is even better. That's just my opinion, of course. Some will prefer the FF belt, but I would pick this one over the belt any day. I like hub motors way more than belt motors, or these outrunners. These are super silent and they have no replacement parts. Of course, it is what it is. You can change the gear ratio or what have you, but I don't care about that whatsoever. This is perfect as it is. I also like the ride feeling better, and also of course the safety aspect of it, because you will need something really big to make these wheels stop. Also the terrain variety, of course, this thing can obviously handle almost everything, but yeah, that's enough friendly fire right there. The belt is great too, don't get me wrong, especially compared to other e-skates out there. I absolutely love the boards. The FF series, they all share the same board and they're just great. Great build quality, nice flex too, and the rubber grip tape, it is still a rare sight when it gets to e-skates, especially in the high-end segment. I love it, I absolutely love that they do it this way. You can sit down, you can lay down, you can do this, you won't wreck your shoes, you won't wreck your apparel, you can do all sorts of crazy stupid things. It's also super indoor friendly this way. It's easy to clean, it is just great. Rubber grip is just great. I think it's the future, and yeah, the boards all in all, they are just amazing. Other than that, all the used components, of course, top notch, great remote, great ESC, great wheels, great motors, great value all in all. The FF series by Maxfind is definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.